everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Gupta. I am a Ho'oponopono healer, law of attraction coach, and an NLP coach. Today, we will be talking about how you can deal with any kind of fear. Because of that one particular fear, you are stuck in your life. You cannot able to take decisions in your life. The fear of judgments, the fear of rejection, or the fear of earning money. This fear actually holding you back. And fear is just your emotional pattern. It just form over a period of time which is holding you back, which is stepping you back in your life. And because of that, it's blocking your manifestation. So it's very important to release fear. And because of this particular fear, you are not able to take any decisions in your life. So, today we will be talking deep down about fear, about how you can improve and how you can deal any kind of fear in your life. So, you need to understand if any emotion which actually stopping you in any areas of your life, maybe kind of a self doubt or any emotion that is blocking you, that's your fear. Fear of something will happen in the future, and that is a story which is playing in your mind, and because that story is playing repeatedly in your mind with a repetition, it create a neural pathway and your mind perceive it as your reality. So this is a way your mind think. You need to understand, if you want to reprogram your mind, you have to change the narrative. You have to change that story, and whatever feeling you have about that particular job, earning money, or dealing with rejection, failures, you have to release and you have to replace it with a different feeling, with a feeling which you want to create and which you want to feel. And today we will be creating a new feeling, and we will be releasing that emotion of fear. So, what we're gonna do, number one step, we will be identifying all your fear, either in your health area, relationship area, money area, whatever fear you have. First step is to identify that fear. Make a list down of all your life, with whatever emotion is holding you back. Make a list and see what is the reason behind it. What limiting belief, what fear, what is holding you back? Make a list of that. Second step is to replace that fear with a different emotion which you want to feel. Whenever you're fearful, your body started shivering. You become very uncomfortable. You cannot handle that situation. That is particular fear. That is an emotion of fear. So if you want to replace an emotion of fear, you will be replacing that emotion with a comfort, because whenever you're comfortable about something, you're very calm, you're relaxed, your breathing pattern is completely different. So we have to create a feeling of comfort. The opposite of fear is always comfort. It's not confidence, it's not powerful, it is comfortable. You have to create a comfort around a particular situation. Today we will be creating a comfort around that situation. So, what you have to do, number third step, write down any three things, whatever, write down any three things in which you are comfortable in your life. Any three actions which you do in your day to day, and you're very, very chill and comfortable without any single thought, you can do that thing currently and in the future as well. Write down at least three things. So, I will be taking a very common example, and today we will be doing, you can do any fear, you can release any fear, but I will be taking a big fear which is very common, fear of public speaking. I will be taking and I will be removing that, and you can take whatever fear you're feeling. So I will be taking three common examples where I am comfortable. It's very, very generalized, and anyone can take that. So I am comfortable in cooking. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in walking. I can add more statements as well. But initially, if you're starting, you can take three statements. I'll take more statements as well. I am comfortable in watching YouTube videos, in watching videos. I am comfortable in listening music. So these are the five things which I'm very comfortable. I don't have to think anything. And now I have to transfer the feeling of comfort to that fear. So let's get started. Here we will be saying these things couple of times, and after certain times we will be saying the word which you're not which you're having a fear right now. So we will be creating a comfort, and we will be saying I am comfortable in public speaking. You can take whatever fear you have. You have to start doing this exercise with me. Once you practice this, you will get it, because while you're listening to me, you'll be more confused. So start practicing this exercise with me. You'll be getting a better clarity about it. Let's get started. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in listening. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in watching YouTube videos. I am comfortable in listening music. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in listening YouTube videos. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in listening YouTube videos. I am comfortable in talking, comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. So, whenever you are saying I am comfortable in public speaking or I am comfortable in talking, you have to imagine and you have to create a feeling of comfort inside you. Bring that feeling of comfort and you have to replace it with this thing. I am comfortable in public speaking, and you have to recreate that. It has to be mechanical. It don't, you can't be do that, you can't do this exercise consciously, because if you are very conscious, your mind won't accept that. So you have to do mechanically so that the feeling get automatically transferred. Let's get started once more. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in watching YouTube videos. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in watching YouTube videos. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in creating YouTube videos. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in talking. I am comfortable in public speaking. I am comfortable in walking. I am comfortable in public speaking. Now this is a pattern interruption. 100 multiplied by 99. Do this calculation in your mind. Okay. Now break that pattern. Now come to the back. Come again. And take a deep breath. Come back. Now take a deep breath. And now just imagine that fear. And and just see how you're feeling at an emotion wise. Do you have the same feeling about the fear, or it being replaced? If you practice it multiple times, you'll become very comfortable and you will be transferring the feeling of comfort to that particular fear. Just 4 5 times for any fear in any areas of your life, and you will see amazing results in your life. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching it. And if you need one-on-one session with me, there is a link in the description. You can book one-on-one call with me. And if you want to remove any fear, any addiction, or any problems in your life, please connect with me personally. Thank you so much for watching this video. See ya. Bye bye. Have a nice day.